Hello friends and future moguls, we're back with another exciting exploration into the world of business and entrepreneurship. Today we're shedding light on service-based businesses. These ventures are not only innovative but also highly profitable, and the best part? You can start with a budget as low as $1,000. From tech to wellness, creative services to consulting, the opportunities are endless and diverse. So, without further ado, let's dive into these profitable and innovative business ideas. Imagine starting a business with just $1,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? But we assure you it's possible. Let's dive into our first idea, a mobile barber service. With a minimal investment in quality tools and a reliable vehicle, you can bring the barbershop experience right to your client's doorstep. It's all about convenience, and with the right skills and marketing, you can tap into a lucrative market. Moving on to our second idea, a painting service. In the world of home improvement and interior design, there's always a demand for skilled painters. With a little investment in quality paints and brushes, you can provide a transformation service right at clients' homes or offices. Remember, success stories aren't born overnight. They come from individuals who saw an opportunity and took it. And that's just the start. We have many more exciting ideas coming up. Continuing on, we present two more incredible business concepts that can be initiated with minimal capital. Idea 3. Embark on a grass-cutting service. With the surge in homeownership, there's an increasing need for specialists who can upkeep lawns and gardens. It's scalable, economical, and gives you advantage to work in the open air. A successful businessman who inaugurated his own grass-cutting venture asserts that the key to his prosperity was locating a local market and customizing his services to fulfill their specific demands. Idea 4. Consider starting a pressure washing service. As people become more vigilant about the cleanliness of their residences and commercial spaces, they're on the lookout for proficient pressure washing services. Although this requires some initial expenditure on equipment, it's a service that's always necessary. A thriving pressure washing proprietor shares that his success stemmed from consistently delivering superior services and providing a distinctive, personalized experience. Intrigued? We trust because there's plenty more where that originated from. We're halfway through, and the ideas just keep getting better. Now let's dive into our fifth idea, a carpet cleaning service. There is an ever-increasing demand for clean, allergen-free environments. By providing a quality carpet cleaning service, you can tap into this growing market and create a thriving business. Moreover, a unique selling proposition could be offering an effective odor control treatment post-cleaning. This will not only leave the carpet spotless but also destroy odor-causing bacteria, leaving carpet clean and fresh-smelling, making the living spaces more pleasant. With more people becoming conscious of their health and hygiene, the potential for growth in this industry is significant. Shifting gears to our sixth idea, a digital marketing consultancy, specifically for the carpet cleaning industry. This digital age calls for innovative ways to market services like these. Utilizing strategic planning skills, you could help these businesses reach more potential customers online. Remember, these ideas require more than just a financial investment. Time, effort, and passion are equally important. You might also want to seek advice from professionals in the field. They can provide valuable insights to help you navigate the initial stages of your venture. Excited yet? We still have 4 more incredible business ideas to. As we continue our journey, we introduce 2 more innovative ideas that could potentially pave your path to entrepreneurial success. Idea 7. Emerge as a language translation service. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, the requirement for translators is reaching new heights. If you're fluent in more than one language, this could be your golden opportunity. Moving on to idea 8, into a virtual assistant. With the surge in remote work, businesses are increasingly in need of virtual assistants to tackle administrative tasks. This opportunity necessitates minimal investment and offers the advantage of working from any part of the globe. Both these propositions are scalable and cater to a substantial market demand. Remember, every business comes with its set of challenges, but the manner in which you conquer them truly shapes your entrepreneurial journey. There's no ceiling to what you can attain with the right idea and a sprinkle of determination. Let's now proceed to our final 2 ideas. Let's move on to our final 2 ideas. Last but definitely not least, we introduce you to our final 2 entrepreneurial. The 9th on our list is a mobile pet grooming service. With pet ownership on the rise, the demand for convenient, at-home pet services is skyrocketing. A mobile pet grooming enterprise provides a fantastic opportunity to carve out your niche in this market. Initial costs are relatively low, with the primary expenses being a suitable vehicle and grooming equipment. The potential for growth is enormous, given the abundance of furry companions in need of grooming. Our 10th and final idea is an odor control service. This unique business involves offering solutions to control and eliminate unpleasant odors in a variety of environments such as homes, offices, and commercial spaces. The scope of this business is expansive and filled with potential. Success in this venture lies in offering effective solutions and top-notch customer service. The possibility of profitability is considerable, as you can charge a premium for your specialized knowledge and indispensable services. As your business grows, so does your clientele and in turn your revenue. Remember, these are just ideas. The key to success lies in your passion, dedication, and ability to adapt to demands. Whether you're attracted to the furry excitement of a mobile pet grooming business or the unique proposition of an odor control service, there's an opportunity waiting for you. With these 10 ideas, we hope we've ignited your entrepreneurial fire and provided you with a solid launching pad. So there you have it, 10 service-based business ideas you can start with just $1,000. From easiest to more challenging, from the most affordable to slightly higher cost options, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you in the service industry. Each of these ideas offer benefits such as low startup costs, scalability, and market demand. And let's not forget the potential earnings and growth prospects. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Explore these opportunities further. Dive deep into the one that resonates with you the most. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Why not let that somewhere be here, with one of these innovative and profitable ideas? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world of entrepreneurship is waiting for you. Keep following our channel for more insights, ideas, and inspiration. Until next time, stay ambitious.